my name is Shady Blue. I'm a singer-songwriter and entrepreneur. I've just launched my own gin line called Shady Blue Gins. My gins are designed for the curvy ladies. I also make gins for ladies that have extra long legs as well. Shady Blue gins are made from premium fabrics and washes. I currently have 4 different styles and 4 different washes. What inspired me to make these gins was the fact that women, especially curvy ladies, find it hard to find their own gin sizes in the stores. It's either they have it too tight on them with gaps at the back, or they struggle to get their jeans on. My jeans lifts and shapes and accommodates all body shapes, and I believe my jeans celebrate and liberate the natural curves of a woman's body. Try on Shady Blue jeans today. Music and fashion, that's my reality. Shady Blue jeans.
Carry so much faith inside of me.